Hello everyone. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of macadamia plantations in Hawaii, where we'll explore how farmers cultivate and harvest one of the world's most expensive nuts. Although macadamia is a plant originally from Australia, it is now grown in various countries around the world. In the USA, macadamia nuts are predominantly grown in Hawaii, California, and Florida. Macadamia nuts are globally acclaimed as the priciest due to their labor-intensive cultivation and harvesting methods. The macadamia tree requires a long maturation period. Typically, it takes up to 5 years for the tree to bear nuts. To achieve a full harvest, a tree needs up to a decade. This deters many farmers from cultivating it. As a result, the supply of macadamia nuts is limited, leading to higher costs. Early spring marks the beginning of the planting season for macadamia trees. Hawaii, the leading state in macadamia production in the U.S., boasts 16,900 acres dedicated to this crop, accounting for a staggering 90% of the total macadamia cultivation area in the country. The ideal growing conditions in Hawaii, with its rich volcanic soil and favorable climate, make it the perfect place for macadamia farming. Macadamia trees, once planted, demand meticulous care and organic fertilization for thriving. Organic fertilizers are standard in Hawaiian and Australian macadamia farms to ensure nutrient-rich soil. Mature trees can reach heights of 40 to 49 feet, requiring regular pruning to manage growth and enhance air circulation and sunlight exposure, crucial for their health and productivity. In Hawaii, growers stress macadamia trees' high water needs, particularly in hot, dry conditions. Mature trees can use up to 350 liters of water per week, highlighting the crucial role of efficient irrigation systems like drip irrigation to minimize water waste and ensure adequate hydration. Macadamia trees in Hawaii flower starting in late March, with harvest occurring around 4 months later in August. Most pods ripen and drop to the ground, where machines gather them efficiently. Have you ever tasted a macadamia nut? We'd love to hear about your experience with this luxurious nut. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Harvesting macadamia nuts is a meticulous and labor-intensive process, but advancements in agricultural technology have introduced machinery that significantly enhances efficiency. Modern harvesting machines are designed to navigate the rough terrain of macadamia plantations and collect the nuts without damaging the trees or the fruit. These machines have large, rotating brushes that sweep the fallen nuts into collection bins. The introduction of these machines has revolutionized the industry, reducing labor costs and increasing the speed and volume of harvests. After the harvest, the macadamia nuts are transported to processing plants, where they undergo shelling and packaging. This crucial step ensures that the nuts are ready for the market, meeting the high standards expected by consumers. The processing of macadamia nuts involves several stages, including dehusking, drying, cracking, and sorting. The dehusking process removes the outer green husk from the nuts, revealing the hard shell underneath. This is followed by drying, where the nuts are dried to reduce their moisture content to about 1.5% to prevent spoilage. Cracking the hard shell of the macadamia nut is one of the most challenging steps in the processing chain. Specialized machines are used to crack the shells without damaging the delicate kernels inside. Once cracked, the nuts are sorted by size and quality, with the highest grade nuts being packaged for sale as whole nuts, while the smaller or broken pieces are often used in baking or as ingredients in various food products. The nuts are then packaged into different formats. Common packaging options include vacuum-sealed bags remove air to extend shelf life. Foil pouches protect from light and moisture. Plastic or glass jars offer durability and visibility of the product. Packaging materials are chosen to preserve freshness and protect the nuts from moisture, light, and air. In 2023, Hawaii achieved record high export production of macadamia nuts, totaling about 45 million pounds, as reported by the Hawaii Macadamia Nut Association. This substantial increase highlights advancements in farming methods and growing global demand for this nutritious nut. Macadamia nuts are valued for their rich, buttery flavor and impressive nutritional profile. High in monounsaturated fats, they support heart health and lower cholesterol. They are also rich in fiber, vitamins like B1, magnesium, and manganese. The high palmitoleic acid content offers additional benefits, including improved metabolism and reduced inflammation. In addition, macadamia oil extracted from the nuts is highly valued for its moisturizing and emollient properties. It is often used in skin care and hair care products, further increasing the demand for this precious nut. The journey from planting to harvesting macadamia nuts is a testament to the dedication and expertise of farmers. The process involves careful planning, significant investment, and a deep understanding of the unique requirements of macadamia trees. Despite the challenges, the rewards are substantial, both in terms of financial return and the satisfaction of producing a high-quality, in-demand product. As we conclude our exploration of macadamia nut cultivation and harvesting, it's clear that the high price of these nuts is justified by the complex and demanding process involved in bringing them from farm to table. The dedication of farmers, the long maturation period of the trees, and the labor-intensive harvesting and processing all contribute to making macadamia nuts one of the most expensive and sought-after nuts in the world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the macadamia plantations of Hawaii. We hope you found this information both informative and engaging. Please let us know your thoughts on the process of cultivating and harvesting macadamia nuts in the comments section below. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Goodbye and take care.